Silver investors make a mass exit. Dealers say, do this. We have watched just a running for the hills in terms of people pulling out of silver. And this is surprising to dealers because at this moment, first, if you're interested in silver, click that link in the description. Money Metals is holding this contest. They're giving away 20 American Silver Eagles. Every month they hold this contest. It's free. It's a lot of fun. Take home that silver. It's waiting for you. The pattern of silver shows us this. We have a lot of movement. This metal increases in value, and then we have a correction. And that's where we are presently. 12 months ago, we got a $10 jump in silver. Every stacker was excited. New people came in. The fear of missing out crowd jumped in. Everybody's excited about silver. And now, since then, about past 8 months, we're in a state of correction. Many feel that silver's dead during that correction. It happens time and again. People start screaming, oh, silver's dead. Why are we doing this? There's no point. Look, it's not moving. It's not moving. But look at this. This is from Reuters, and you could see clearly one of the main reasons people are pulling out of silver. Investors, even regular everyday people. Gold's outperforming silver, clearly. It says here, gold prices have surged over 26% year to date. And we've all seen this. I mean, we touched 3,500 recently, 26%. But look at silver. It says, in contrast, silver's risen approximately 12%. And that's where we've been hovering. You see it right there, $33 an ounce. It's really quite frustrating. The silver to gold ratio is at a wide spread, well above the historic average of 45 to 80. And you could see this. Look, this is from a website called Accounting Insights. And it's showing the weakening industrial demand that we have, because that has been a big change. And it's really spooked a lot of investors. This shows that China, who's, of course, main player in the trade war, but even beyond that, China's PPI, their producer price index, fell 2.2% year over year, highlighting persistent deflationary pressures in its industrial sector. When China's industry struggles, we see that impact silver because China needs, it shows it right here, they need silver for solar, they need it for EV, and they want to be the top of that game. Right here, this is interesting, and this is from Accounting Insights. It says, strengthening of the US dollar. Now, typically, we see strength in the dollar, silver goes up. And recently, with the new administration we have, the plan is to weaken the dollar for a time period, weaken it. Yet, what we see here is the US dollar strengthened, making silver more expensive for foreign buyers. That's part of this, one of the moving pieces that we often, as stackers, we ignore this. When the dollar is strong, it's more expensive for foreign people in other countries to pick up silver in general. So it reduces global demand, right? These are all the moving pieces that impact our spot price. Here again, Accounting Insights. Unwinding and ETF outflows. Investors have previously built up long positions in silver, right? They anticipated prices to increase, but as inflation concerns ease and monetary policies tighten, many of these speculative bets unwound, and that's putting it lightly. We've had significant outflows from ETFs like SLV. That's one of the main ETFs. We have people pulling out and running for the hills. What my dealer was explaining to me is, sure, let the top dogs pull out and get spooked and run for the hills. Those people are looking for an ROI. They're looking for a return on investment. You and I as stackers, we're not interested in a return on investment. We hold this metal because we know that our fiat currency is decreasing in value and will always decrease in value. That's how fiat currencies work. That's how paper money works. Period. It's going to do its job, and its job is to lose value. Yet this metal is really the smartest savings account, and that's how I see it. I'm not a barter guy. I don't stack silver with future, with thinking that in the future I'm going to be bartering with my silver. That's not how I think about it. I think about it as a smart savings account. And as everybody gets spooked because they're not getting a fast ROI, good, let them leave. because silver right now is on the dip. I'm not telling you what to do with your money. I'm not giving you financial advice. This is the dip for silver. Look at 12 months ago, we were in the same position, except $10 less. Right? We got that $10 jump 12 months ago. We got that big $10 jump. Now we're where we're at, $32, $33, sometimes $34 an ounce. And we have a correction. That's it. The correction is the dip. My dealer says this all the time, and I'm often saying it on my videos. The correction is the dip. We're just in a dip, and all of the moving pieces that we see for silver, industrial demand, insecurity, people feeling unsure about anything that's going to play out within the next 6 months, that always gives metals a big bump. So that's what we have coming for silver. And when you understand that we are in the dip, then that's why I'm so bullish. That is absolutely why I'm so bullish and continue to be bullish on silver. Get your own silver. Click that link in the description. Thank you, Money Metals Exchange, for sponsoring this channel. I love this contest. It's a lot of fun. Click that link. You should be the next winner. Take home 20 American Silver Eagles. I'll see you guys in the next video.